Good morning, all of you. Maths concept for the day mensuration. Our lesson for today volume of cylinder. Learning outcomes. Student, after watching this video, you can easily recall the volume of solid, derive the formula for the volume of cylinder, calculate the volume of cylinder, interpret the volume of cylinder. Cylinder. Cylinder has two parallel congruent circular bases and connected with the height. So the volume is of cylinder is base area into height. Base area, as it is a circular cylinder, that is pi r square, into height is h. Let us see how it comes through this video.
Volume of cylinder. Let us see how can we find the volume of cylinder.
Since the base of a cylinder is circular, we cannot layer the cylinder using unit cubes.
As in cube or cuboid, we use the unit cube. Now cylinder base is circular. We are not able to use the unit cube. What we are going to use? Let us see.
Instead, we'll use discs of unit height having the same radius as the cylinder. To calculate,
So what we use? We use a disc of the same height, of a height 1 centimeter, and the radius as the cylinder have.
the volume of the cylinder, we'll need to find the number of discs of unit height required to fill the cylinder to its maximum capacity. Since the base of the cylinder is circular, its area is pi r squared. As the height of the cylinder is h, we'll require h discs of unit height to fill up the cylinder completely. So, the volume of the cylinder will be the product of the area of its circular base and its height. That is, pi r squared h. How to find the volume of a cuboid and a cylinder? We can help Rahul and Priya solve their problems. Rahul's fish tank measures 24 inches in length, 15 inches in breadth, and 12 inches in height. So, we can find its volume by multiplying all three of them as shown. Priya's lemonade can has a base radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 7 centimeters. So, we can find its volume by applying the formula as shown. You can apply these formulae to calculate the volume of objects in day-to-day life.
Let us solve worksheet 6. Find the volume of right circular cylinder if radius of its base is 7 cm and height is 1.5 decimeter. Here you people have the two different units. Base has a unit in centimeters and the units of height is decimeter. So make sure the units should be same. Now we should start solving the sum. Radius of base is equal to 7 centimeter. Height is equal to 1.5 decimeter. If we want to convert decimeter into centimeter, we multiply with 10. We are getting 15 centimeter. We know the volume of cylinder. Volume of right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi value 22/7. Radius, you people were having 7 centimeter. So 7 square means 7 into 7. And height 15 centimeter. So volume is centimeter cube. When we multiply these terms, what we are getting? When we multiply these three terms, 7 into 7 cancel. You have to multiply 22 into 7 into 15. You are getting 2310 centimeter cube. Hence the volume is 2310 centimeter cube. Let us solve second part. In the second part, they have given you area of base. Area of base is equal to 1154 centimeter square and the height is 1.5 5 centimeter. Now both the units are same, both are in centimeter. We know that volume is equal to area of base. What they have given, area of base is equal to 154 centimeter square. Height is equal to 1.5 centimeter. We know volume. Volume of any solid shape is area of base into height. We have already learned in the previous worksheet. So area of base is 154 centimeter square and height is 1.5 centimeter. When we multiply it, we are getting 231 centimeter cube. Hence the area of base is 231 centimeter cube. Let us solve the third part. In the third part, they have given you the circumference of base. Circumference of base 1.32 meter and the height is 25 centimeter. Both units are different. One is meter and other is centimeter. So what you have to do? Convert the units. Either this meter into centimeter or centimeter into meters. First of all, we just convert the unit. Circumference of base, that is 1.32 meter. If we want to convert into centimeter, we have to multiply with 100 centimeter. Because I remove this decimal, I am getting 100 down, and to convert this meter into centimeter, I multiply with 100. 100 and 100 cancel. 132 centimeter. So what is the circumference of the base? 132 centimeter. Now for the volume, we need the radius. Let R be radius of base. Base is of circular shape, so circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132 centimeter. And what will be the radius? If we calculate the radius, what we are getting? 132 multiply 7, 2 into 22. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. 11 2s are 22, 11 6 are 66. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what will be the radius? Radius is 7 3s are 21 centimeter. So you are getting a radius 21 centimeter. Now volume. Volume of cylinder. You know the formula? Pi r square h. 22 by 7 into radius value 21 into 21. Height 25 centimeter cube. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. When you multiply it, you are getting 34650 centimeter cube, means 34,650 centimeter cube. Hence the volume of a cylinder is 34,650 centimeter cube. Let us solve sum number 2. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to sink a well of 16 meter deep and 7 meter in diameter? You have to dug out a earth in which you want to sink a well whose capacity is 16 meter deep and 7 meter diameter. Means that is the volume. What you have to find here? Volume. Also you can just judge from the statement cubic meter. Cubic meter is a unit for the volume. So what they have given you? Diameter of base, that is equal to 7 meter. What will be the radius? Radius of base is equal to 7 by 2 meter, because radius is half of the diameter. Height of well, What will be the height? 16 meter they have given you. So you have to find the volume of well. So volume, since well is of a cylindrical shape, we are going to find the volume of a cylinder. 2 in 22 by 7, radius 7 by 2, multiply 7 by 2, height 16 meter cube. Now 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So what you have to do? 88, 11 into 8, 88, 88 into 7, 616 meter cube. Hence, how many cube required? Hence, earth must be dug out 616 meter cube. Let us solve sum number 3. A water tank is cylindrical in shape. Diameter of its base is 28 meter. If it is 7 meter deep, how many kiloliters of water can it hold? They were asking the answer in kiloliters. And how much it can hold, that means its volume. Let us find the volume of this water tank and then we convert into kiloliters. Now what is the diameter of the base? Diameter of base is equal to 28 meter. Height, so radius of base, from the diameter we are going to find the radius, 28 by 2 meter, that is equal to 14 meter. Height of water tank, that is equal to 7 meter. Because it is given 7 meter deep. Now volume. First of all we find the volume of water tank. That is equal to pi r square h, means 22 by 7 multiply 14 into 14 into 7 meter. 7 ones are 7. We divide it. Now we have to just multiply the three numbers, 22 into 14 into 14. When we multiply it, we are getting 4,312 meter cube. Now they ask that how many kiloliters of water? For that you must remember a relation that 1000 centimeter cubes make 1 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters and 1000 liters make 1 kiloliter. It means 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 kiloliter. So if we need 4312 meter cube, that is equal to 4312 kiloliter. How much water it contains? 4312 kiloliters.